So today we're here in my cabinet shop and we cut a small piece of edge banding, and I like to use this on all my edges of the plywood because you don't want to see a raw edge when you do quality jobs. You want to be able to put it on. And so this is really easy to put. You can put it with a heat gun or with an iron. It's pre-glued already. And we're going to show you how to use it. As you see, we got two different colors. This is a matching one for this, but they sell them a lot of varieties of woods, whatever wood you're using. They sell them all those colors. So you can use a regular iron. We're gonna use an iron to put the edge banding on the piece of wood. So always carry a small block so you can press on it because it gets hot. You can apply it the way you put it on. So you put it on top of the piece of wood. You get your iron and you usually go on it for seconds really slow. And I like to go really slow so it grabs on and it doesn't come off. Then you get your piece of wood and you just swipe it front and forward. As you see, it's already on. Doesn't come off. You let it for a little bit so it doesn't come off. There you have it. Edges. So this is to cut the edges on the side. Put it next to your wood. You press on it. See as that? You cut one side. Cut the other one. And then we also got this other trimmer that we like from Birch. This is to do your edge. So you just press on it. I go a couple of times like an angle and then straight. 1, 2. There you see it. I already shaped it on one side. We go for the second one. 1. And that's it. And you could either use a file to smooth the edges so it's not sharp, as you see. The difference from regular plywood to a veneer.